Hello, class. Today we're going to be learning about the bossy R. Okay, still trying to keep you guys entertained. Oh, don't worry. I'll be cleaning my hands after I put this bad boy on. He needs to go to the laundry. Okay. Today we're going to learn about the R-controlled vowels that we've been working on all week. E-R, I-R, and U-R. Blend the words that have the R-controlled vowel, E-R. So, serve. Verb, P-erch, perch. Germ. Jerk. Fern. Serve. Her. Now look at the picture, say the word, and you can use a whiteboard to segment the word, or you can just practice saying it with me, sounding it out. Fern. Can you see that? I'm in the way. Fern. Perch. A perch is, gosh, where am I going to go? Perch is a place where a bird can land. Perch. Germ. Pretty good picture of a germ. Her. Read the sentence and write the words with the R-controlled vowel, E-R. Mom's, here I'm the way again. Mom's fern is green. Fern. Germs will make you sick. Germs. I will go get her a drink. Her. Read the sentence, answer by talking to your partner. Name a verb. What could a verb be? Verb, action word. So, dance, sit, fly. Anything that is action. So you wouldn't say a chair is a verb. You can't chair. How about hop? Boing, yes. You can hop. Yes. Can you floor? No. So a verb. Name a verb. How can you get germs? How can you get germs? Well, we know from class by putting your dirty hands in your T-zone. So you wouldn't eat your food with dirty hands. So that's how germs enter your body. Now let's learn about the R-controlled vowel, I-R. Can't see again, I'm always in the way. Squirt. Used to have a squirt gun, that looks fun. Squirt. Now we're going to blend the words that have the R-controlled vowel, I-R. Thirst. Bird. Third. Girl. Shirt. Swirl. Chirp. First. Dirt. Chirp. Skirt. Sir. Now look at the picture and say the word. Use your personal board to segment the word. So if you have a little whiteboard at home, go ahead and use that. You can use a piece of paper if you'd like, or you can just work on blending the words with me. So, stir. Twirl. Girl. Dirt. Shirt. Read the sentences, and we're going to just talk about the words that have the R-controlled vowel, I-R. The girl has on a red shirt. You can see I-R in girl and shirt. I like to be first in line. So you can see I-R in first. Now read the sentence in a whisper voice and do what the sentence says. Thirty has that I-R. pretend to make cookies. Stir, stir. Stir has the I-R. Chirp like a bird. Chirp, 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 chirp. Chirp and bird both have the I-R. Okay, now we're going to build the words and then change them up a little bit. So read the word. I'm in the way all the time. Build the word, read the word. So we have shirt, shirt. Now change the sh to sk, skirt, skirt. Now we're going to read the word bird, bird. Now change the beginning b to third. Build the word girl, girl. Now change beginning sound g to swirl, swirl. Read the word dirt. Now change d to shirt, shirt. Now let's learn about the U, the R-controlled vowel U-R. Church, church. Now we're going to blend the words that have the R-controlled vowel U-R. Bossy R. Here I am in the way again. Turn, turn. Purse, purse. Surf, surf. Curl, curl. Burn, burn. Curb, curb. Nurse, nurse. Now look at the picture and say the word and you can use your board or you can just work with me. Get out of the way. Surf, surf. Curl, curl. Hurt, hurt. Burn, burn. Read the sentence and we'll talk about the words with the R-controlled U-R vowel. Ooh, always in the way. The nurse parked on the curb. Nurse and curb both have U-R. Bossy R. A burn hurts very badly. Burn hurts. U-R in both. Kurt likes to surf. U-R in Kurt and surf. Build the words. Get out of the way. Read the word. Turn, turn. Change t to b. Burn, burn. Hurl, hurl. Now change o to t. Hurt, hurt. Surf, surf. Change beginning sound to t. Turf, turf. Now read the sentence in a whisper voice and do what the sentence says to do. Everybody's gone surfing. Surf on a wave. Surf has the bossy R that bosses the U, the vowel U. Your leg. Blood pressure. Drive around the curve. Curve, that bossy R. High frequency words. Bert will eat another apple. Another. The girl will climb up the ladder. Climb. The cookie jar is full of cookies. Full. The park is a great place to play. Great. Hopefully you're getting to go to the park once in a while. The poor dog needs more water. Poor. Oh. The dog jumped through the hoop. Ooh, tricky dog. Through. Sorry, now look at the picture and write the high frequency word that describes the picture. Another. We took another bite of the apple. Climb. The girl will climb the ladder. Full. The cookie jar is full. Great. The park is a great place to play. The poor dog has no water. Through. The dog jumped through the hoop. Look at the word carefully. I don't think I can get it to flash. I will try to get it to flash. No, it's not going to. It usually flashes. It's so fun. another, climb, full, great, pour, through. Look at the high frequency words. There are missing letters. No, there aren't. It must flash when it's not being recorded. Another, climb, full, miss great, pour, through. Read the sentence and write the high frequency word on your board that you see in the sentence. I will walk through the doorway. We're just going to talk about the high frequency word, through. The poor cat needs some water, pour. This is a great day, great. The candy jar is full of candy. The squirrel can climb the tree, climb. I have another pencil, another. Okay, read the sentence and write the high frequency word on your board that would be correct in the sentence. So we'll just talk about it. Actually, I already have it written out for you, unfortunately. The poor mouse has no food. I climbed through the window. My stomach is full. You did a great job. Tom can climb the tree. Bart wanted another cookie. Okay, it says read each question in a whisper voice and write your answer on your personal board, then share with a partner. So you can choose to write it, or you can talk to your family member about your answer. What is something that you would like to climb? Maybe a big apple tree? A mountain? Right now a hike sounds kind of nice. What is something that you can walk through? What is something you can walk through? A zoo? A grocery store? What is something that you describe as great? Well, that one's easy. My students are great. Okay, high frequency word review. Oh, sorry, I'm always in the way. Another, climb, full, great. Pour, through, for, large. None, only, put, round. Okay, that's the end of our lesson today. A little sneak. I hope you are doing well and keeping your hands washed and staying healthy. Bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.